Come on guys, so I picked some sour orange, you know. Make nice juice. So orange are like a cross between the sweet orange and so it's sour and sweet at the same time. So I'm cross between the sweet orange and lemon. Clear me. Say look roughy, yeah, like lemon, yeah man. So and the chicken I come from maka like lime tree. Yeah man guys, so see it here. Basically I have a little bucket full and more on the tree. Yeah man. So sour orange juice we are doing today. You have another one called Super Sweet where it's sweet and a little bitter taste to it. But if you kind of bitter, it make it very nice juice same way. But this is sour orange. I'm gonna say one cross between the sweet orange and lemon. Simple and easy. Some jackfruit seed or boil up, you don't know. So this is little ginger. But name it ginger. So it look like a real orange, yeah. But if I taste it now, it tastes sweet and so at the same time. You know what so it's a amount of juice we get from orange them. See there? Yeah man, so it's the amount of juice we get from it. So let's add some water to it, and some sugar, and that's it, you know. I'll put on we season them right now to boil. Yeah. Electric stove, you know. So cook it on that. And who never taste this before? You have a similar taste or similar texture like Irish potato. Yeah man, so I'll get the juice sweeten for now. See look there? Yeah man, so orange juice. Sweet, you know. I don't know something similar to lemon here. I'm going to like the video, share, subscribe. Look at ads. Yeah man. Yes, we're going to feed her now. Some more sugar. And water is strong. spoon one time, it doesn't mix. Yeah man guys, like this you know. So orange juice, not too sweet, not too fresh. Very nice. In the hot sun, you know. Yeah man, nice. In the hot sun. Yeah man guys, so see there. Same look like a potato. Yeah man. Yes guys, so we have some chicken here on the grill. We have pork. I don't really put it at the time because pork already cooked already. And some turkey and cook here, so you know, the pork and turkey basically cook already before I go on the grill. Yeah, and you know the chicken don't cook, so I don't know. It'll take a little time, but I don't know if I do it here because I would love the jerk. Let's feed the time, you know. Man, check out Ellis Importation, right? For all the needs. If you want to go on a trip, when you can contact him. Anything. If you want to go up on a date and want somebody to carry on in style, you know, AC, everything, when you can contact him. Church trip, you know, school kids, school to and from, everything. So come and show you what going on. See? Inside clean. So nice clean ride, AC working, everything. You know, you have a curtain same way, so you have privacy. So if you don't want body to know what go on, you can see what go on. And see the number here to call 329-3949. Yeah, see there? Anything. Safe and reliable. That means nobody now taken away. Right? So, we don't have to jump out like some other services. Nobody not taken away. Very punctual. So, if you say 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. If 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. And 9:30 or 10 o'clock. When say boy X time, we'll show up on that time. So, let's check out Ellis Compression Service.